Chainsaw Man manga got even crazier. This chapter was really something. We got to see the return of the true hero of hell, Chainsaw Man. I kinda actually wanted this to happen, but the thing with Nahyuta still ticks me off, and it seems her mole under her eye isn't there, so it might be hinting at that being a fake, or so everyone says, but the chapter was just so good. Seeing Denji lose it, and Yoru and Asa's reactions. The people complaining about Chainsaw Man lately just didn't read Fire Punch, cause this is pretty normal for an unhinged story by Tatsuki Fujimoto. Man, he's been cooking a lot lately. We had the H chapter, Nahyuta Sushi Serve, and now True Chainsaw Man. The special division are ready to take him on, and I can't wait for the next chapter. Subscribe for more anime content.